We asked everyone in the company to weigh in on who is Employee of the Year for 2022. We had votes for so many great folks, but one person came out on top with the highest number of votes. Drum roll, please. I'm honored to let you know that you are the Employee of the Year from 2022.
That's awesome.
Yes, so you got the most votes by far.
Oh, wow.
You are now going to be put on. Here you go. This is for you. You can keep it. Can you keep it in his desk, or yeah, if you want.
Keep it there.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Here's a $250 Home Depot gift card.
Wow.
John Yerka is our 2022 Employee of the Year. Yay!
Yeah, way to go, John.
I was so excited to see John receive this great honor. I can remember back in 2018 when I was working in recruiting, and it was so hard to find repair experts, no different than today. John was interviewing for a spot as a repair expert with our former repair manager, Gary Bell. For those that knew and worked with Gary, he was pretty tough and very picky interviewer. I was so excited for him to meet John because I just knew he was a great candidate. I couldn't wait to talk to him after John left. After the interview, Gary gave me a look and famously said about John, "I don't know about him, he's just too perfect," with a smile. As we all know, John was hired and went on to move up the ranks in the repair division, raking up stud awards and review awards before being promoted to senior repair expert. He then moved over to production as a project manager, trainer, and now window and door manager. Congrats to John on another spectacular year in 2022. Way to wow the customer. Back to you, James.
That was awesome. Congratulations, John.